It's Monday morning, the 15th of August, and now I've made 2 successful swing trades on Tesla these last couple of weeks. It looks like swing trading is finally back. Now I'm going to break down in this video how I made these swing trades on Tesla and also why I think it's a good time to start swing trading. So before I break down these swing trades, I do want to let you guys know that before I make these swing trades, I do share my top 3 picks of the best stocks to swing trade every market day. In a minute, I'll explain how you guys can get these swing trades for free and also how to learn my swing trading strategy. But first, let's break down this first Tesla swing trade. So my first Tesla swing trade occurred between the 3rd and 4th of August. If we zoom in here, you can see that I bought this trade, or I made this trade at least, right before the close on the 3rd of August. My entry was around 922, and my exit was the following morning around 7 a.m. I saw the profit was good, it was up a lot, and I just decided to cover Tesla. My exit was around 935, giving me around 1.4% on Tesla. Pretty good trade. And you can see here that the stock did end up going slightly lower, open lower, maybe gapped up a little bit. If I held, it could have maybe covered profit, but I didn't want to take that risk. I was happy to take that profit when I had it early in the morning. So looking at the daily, you can see why I made this swing trade on Tesla in the first place. We've had a really good gapping pattern on Tesla ever since this earnings report. It's been consistently gapping, and we've had very little to no fails. So after this 3rd or 4th successful gap, I decided to give it a try. Started small, obviously, with the volume, and still ended up getting good profit. You can look at my order sheet here of how many shares I had and the prices I got. If you just look at the difference of the price and times it by the amount of shares, you see that I made over $1,900 on this swing trade. Not too bad, considering I went small with the volume, and also it was my first swing trade in a few months since this bad market started. So pretty good start, pretty good swing trade. Still didn't want to tell you guys that I felt confident in the market yet until I got another good swing trade, which is the next one here. So the second swing trade I made in Tesla was over the weekend. I bought it on Friday and I sold it this Monday morning right before the open. So you can see here on the minute chart exactly what I did here. My entry was right before the close on Friday, got in around $900 a share. And then my exit was this morning in the pre-market around 904.5, gave me roughly around 0.5% profit. You can see that I thought it was a good trade because the stock did end up going lower in the pre-market. I would have been close to negative. And then eventually, yes, I could have maybe covered more profit, but I didn't want to risk holding through all of this. So the reason why I made this second swing trade in Tesla, not too hard to see. Ever since my last swing trade in Tesla, it's had red dailies, and I literally traded the next green daily there was, and it still worked out well. So this has really boosted my confidence up for swing trading. On top of that, the other stocks that I've recommended and the stocks that we typically trade, like Apple, like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, all these other stocks that we like to trade have also shown not only good gapping patterns, but also very low risk on these trades. The gap has been looking good on the upside and low on the downside, which is what we want. So this is why I finally think the market's good to start swing trading. It's a good time for people to take these risks again, to make them small at first because we don't know if the market has turned around, but I'm starting to feel confident again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to learn my swing trading strategy, make sure to click on my tutorial at the end of this video. Also, make sure to join our Discord server, Sleep Easy Trades. Here's where I share my top 3 swing trade picks 15 minutes before the market closes. You can also ask us any questions about swing trading on here. You can find the Discord server link in the description below.